The following Philo Get to Know You survey sweepstakes rules can be found on the Philo website at about.philo.com/terms/#Philo-sweepstakes. There will be a link below in the video's description. Philo's Get to Know You survey sweepstakes. Last read on February 26, 2025. Sweepstakes official rules. No purchase or payment of any kind necessary to enter or win. A purchase will not increase your chances of winning. Internet access is required to enter. Dispute resolution notice. By entering, you agree that disputes between you and any promotion entity will be resolved by binding individual arbitration, and you waive your right to participate in a jury trial, class action lawsuit, or class-wide arbitration. See disputes/arbitration provision. All entries and participation in this promotion shall be governed by these official rules available at about.philo.com/terms, the website. The promotion may be shortened or extended by sponsor in its sole and absolute discretion by posting notice on the website, or may be canceled, modified, or terminated based on the exigencies of the circumstances. Eligibility. The promotion is offered only to existing Philo subscribers in the 50 United States, including D.C. and U.S. territories, who are 18 or older at time of entry and who receive directly from sponsor an email invitation to participate in the promotional survey. Eligible entrants. All others, including employees, officers, and directors of sponsor and its respective affiliated companies, advertising and promotion agencies, and any other individuals/entities involved in the implementation and/or execution of the promotion, collectively promotion entities, and the immediate family members, spouses and parents, partners, children and siblings and their spouses, including foster and step relations regardless of where they live, or members of the same households, whether related or not, of such individuals are not eligible to enter or win. Void where prohibited or restricted by law. Entrants with existing premium accounts or who are inside a free trial period are not eligible to enter or win. Agreement by entrant. By entering by completing and submitting survey, each entrant fully and unconditionally agrees to and accepts these official rules, the terms and conditions of the free 1 year of Philo, both provided on the website, the information provided by promotion entities in connection with the promotion, the sponsor's privacy policy, linked at about.philo.com/privacy, and the decisions of the sponsor which are final and binding with respect to all matters pertaining to this promotion. Without limitation, sponsor reserves the absolute right to modify these official rules, in whole or in part, at any time by posting revised rules via the website and/or social media platform used to facilitate the promotion, as described below. Promotion period. The promotion starts on or about 9 a.m. Pacific Time, PT, on or about August 12, 2022 and ends 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time on October 12, 2022, or until the requisite number of eligible survey responses has been received, whichever is sooner. Promotion period. It is anticipated that sponsor will accept up to approximately 700 eligible survey responses, at which time the promotion will close and winners will be selected from eligible entries received up to that time. Individuals may complete the survey thereafter, but will not be eligible to enter or win in this promotion. Entrants are solely responsible for determining the correct time zone in their respective jurisdictions. Promotion entities disclaim all liability or responsibility relating thereto. Sponsor's server/computer is the official timekeeping device for the promotion. How to enter. During the promotion period, existing Philo subscribers in good standing may directly receive from sponsor an email invitation to take a short, approximately 20-minute survey. To enter, during the promotion period, click on the survey link in the email, fully and accurately complete the short survey, and submit survey responses. Entry. By submitting a survey, entrants are agreeing to these official rules. Limit 1 entry per person/household. Survey must be completed and submitted in good faith by the direct recipient of the email, and is void if suspected of being reproduced, copied, forwarded, transferred, or otherwise non-compliant. By submitting an entry, entrants represent, warrant and covenant, and agree to release and indemnify sponsor and promotion entities from same, that their entry submitted and all content therein. 1. Is the original creation of the entrant and has not been copied in whole or in part from any other work, and is the sole and exclusive property of the entrant, or entrant has all ownership or licensed rights thereto and in any and all content. 2. Does not contain, depict, condone, encourage, or promote the use of any inappropriate content as determined by sponsor. 3. Does not violate or infringe any laws including but not limited to copyright or trademark laws, or other proprietary, publicity, privacy, or any other rights of any person, entity, or venue. 4. Does not refer to or contain in any respect information about an individual under the age of 18, and 5. Owners of any depicted venues, or any individuals mentioned, featured in, or who have worked on the entry, in whole or in part, in any manner have given entrant their express written consent to submission to this promotion and the use contemplated. If requested by sponsor, entrant shall provide evidence of the above in writing. Nothing herein shall be deemed an obligation of confidentiality. Conditions of entry. All information provided must be accurate and complete to receive an entry. Entries must be complete, compliant, submitted only via the method communicated, and received by sponsor within the promotion period. Once submitted, entries cannot be modified, deleted, or canceled. Entries become the property of sponsor and will not be returned. Any entry that appears to be non-compliant or inappropriate will not be eligible and will be disqualified. Promotion may be advertised via more than one social media platform. However, entries will only be accepted via the email link to the survey specified herein. Entries may only be submitted by a single registered Philo base account user. Submissions suspected of being received from, facilitated by, or through ineligible individuals or entities, third-party couponing/free sample or similar third-party websites, whether or not paid, or group or commercial submissions are invalid and will not be eligible for participation in the promotion. Multiple entrants are not permitted to share the same device, account, IP, or email address. By entering, you agree to be contacted by sponsor and its authorized representatives, with communications and reminders relating to the promotion. Promotion entities have the right to verify entries and/or entrants' eligibility and compliance with these official rules, and on the basis of the investigation, to disqualify any entry or entrant at any time during or after the promotion period. Without limitation, sponsor reserves the unfettered right not to provide entry or prize award, in whole or in part, if doing so may result in public disrepute, scandal, or may have a detrimental impact on sponsor, promotion partner, this promotion, or any of sponsors and/or promotion partners' brands, products, or services, as determined by promotion entities in their absolute discretion. Without limiting the foregoing, sponsor shall have the right at any time, where necessary, to undertake all action including, but not limited to, voiding or canceling the promotion, subject a winner to disqualification, prize forfeiture, and/or immediate prize return from a previously confirmed winner, if applicable, and/or require further information as is reasonable to protect any one of the promotion entities against fraudulent or invalid claims, potential public scandal, ridicule, or disrepute in awarding the prize to any entry, entrant, or winner. Incomplete, invalid, illegal, unsuitable, unauthorized, or otherwise non-compliant entries, as determined in sponsor's absolute discretion, will not be eligible. Proof that you uploaded a survey entry does not constitute proof or evidence that it was received within the promotion period or eligible for the promotion. Any entrant who is suspected of cheating, using fraudulent means, unauthorized entry methods, attempting to participate multiple times with multiple email accounts and/or addresses under multiple or false identities, or engaging in or benefiting directly or indirectly from artifice of any other kind, as determined in sponsor's sole and absolute discretion, will void all such entries and disqualify any entrant suspected of using or benefiting from such methods. In the event of a dispute as to the identity of an online entrant, the authorized account holder of the Philo account used in connection with the entry will be deemed to be the entrant. Potential winners may be required to show proof of being the authorized Philo account holder or otherwise eligible. Promotion entities assume no responsibility for lost, late, delayed, incomplete, inaccurate, stolen, misdirected, including into spam or junk folders, ineligible or illegible entries, or other promotion-related communications, in whole or in part. Website, app, platform or social media platform, computer or server, telephone, network, electronic, digital, wireless or internet, hardware or software malfunctions, failures, connection problems, or unavailability, garbled, corrupt, or jumbled. Transmissions, browser incompatibility, service provider, internet, website, user, net inaccessibility, or unavailability. Congestion, technical errors, unauthorized human intervention, human errors, or the delayed, incorrect, or inaccurate capture of entry or other information, or failure to capture any such information. Entrants and the entry and all elements thereof must comply with the requirements and all other terms in these official rules or will be disqualified. Your use of social media. While you may tag, forward, or share information about the promotion with family, friends, and direct known contacts, please do not engage in phishing or spamming. Entrants' use of the respective social media platform used to facilitate or advertise this promotion, as applicable, must comply with and be in accordance with its respective terms of use, terms of service, guidelines, and policies. This promotion is in no way sponsored, endorsed, or administered by any social media platform used to facilitate or advertise this promotion. Your use of a mobile device. If an entrant is participating in the promotion via a mobile device, message and data rates may apply. Entrant should consult his or her wireless service provider regarding its pricing plans. Participation may not be available on all mobile devices, as not all mobile devices or cellular telephone providers have the capabilities or carry the service necessary to participate in the stated methods of entry. Consent is not a condition of purchase. Random drawing, odds, prize notification. At the end of the promotion period, a random drawing will be conducted by sponsor or its authorized representative on or within approximately 15 working days to select 10 potential grand prize winners from all eligible entries received during the promotion period. Odds of winning depend on number of eligible entries received during the promotion period. Potential winners will be notified via email address approximately 10 working days from the drawing. Potential winners must respond within the time and in the manner specified in the notification, or they will forfeit the prize, and an alternate potential grand prize winner may be randomly selected in sponsor sole discretion. If a potential winner is unable for any reason to accept the prize in its entirety, refuses the prize, fails to timely respond, fails to timely provide or satisfy required documentation or follow instructions within the time specified by sponsor, or is otherwise non-compliant, or found to be ineligible, they will forfeit the prize, and an alternate potential winner may be randomly selected in sponsor sole discretion. One additional attempt to notify an alternate potential winner will be made. Thereafter, the prize will be forfeited. Promotion entities shall have no liability for any prize or prize notification that is returned, intercepted, not received, not delivered, misdirected, that is into spam into junk folders, not timely acted upon, or otherwise not responded to by a potential winner for any reason whatsoever, and prize will be forfeited. Return prizes will not be reawarded. There will not be a second chance drawing. Prize claim requirements. Potential grand prize winners may be required to sign, have witnessed, and return a declaration of eligibility, liability, and publicity release within the time specified by sponsor, or else prize will be forfeited. Sponsor reserves the absolute right to require additional documentation with respect to prize award as necessary in its sole discretion. Prize notification does not confer winner status. Prize award is subject to verification of eligibility and compliance with the requirements in these rules. Promotion entities are not responsible for any undelivered calls, messages, emails, or any other communications, including but not limited to those that are not received because of any privacy, junk, or spam filter settings that may divert any notification, prize, or other promotion-related email to a spam or junk folder. Prizes, approximate retail value, ERV. Prize awards are subject to verification of eligibility and compliance with these official rules. Grand prizes. 10. 1-year free Philo-based subscription, ARV, $300 each. Total ARV of all prizes, $3,000. Limit 1 prize per person or household. Subject to verification and eligibility, winners will continue to receive their monthly bill for 12 months with a reflected charge of /bin/SH for the base plan. Thereafter, their paid monthly subscription will continue, unless canceled in accordance with the cancellation policies provided at about.philo.com/terms. Prizes are non-assignable, non-transferable, and no prize substitution or exchange in whole or in part will be allowed, except by sponsor who reserves the right to substitute a prize or any part thereof with a prize or part thereof of equal or greater value. Prizes are not redeemable for cash. Any difference between the actual value and ARV of the prize will not be awarded as cash or otherwise. E-card, gift card, or coupon used as prizes, if any, are for promotional purposes only, will not be returned or refunded in whole or in part by sponsor if lost, stolen, misplaced, damaged, destroyed, or illegible, and are subject to the terms and conditions of issuer, including expiry dates and exclusions unless prohibited by applicable law. Winners are solely responsible for use or misuse of prize and all costs and expenses not expressly set forth as being included herein. Prizes will be awarded only provided sufficient eligible entries are received. Prize must be accepted in its entirety or will be forfeited. Only the description and number of prizes stated in these official rules is available to be won in the promotion. In no event will promotion entities be responsible to award more than the stated number of prizes herein. If because of technical, typographical, mechanical, or other errors, or for any other reason, there are more claims for a prize than prizes offered as stated in these official rules, a random drawing will be held among all eligible non-suspect claimants in such category to award such prize. Winners agree that prize is personal to them and may not be assigned, exchanged, transferred, donated, or otherwise conveyed. Prizes and any and all elements thereof are provided as is, without warranty of any kind, either express or implied, including but not limited to implied warranties of merchantability, fitness for a particular purpose, and non-infringement. Some jurisdictions may not allow limitations or exclusion of liability for certain damages or exclusion of implied warranties. Taxes. All applicable local, state, and federal taxes and reporting obligations, if any, and all expenses not specifically stated herein are solely the responsibility of a U.S. prize winner. Publicity rights. By participating in the promotion and or accepting a prize, entrants and confirmed winners as applicable grant and agree to confirm that grant in writing. A perpetual, worldwide, royalty-free, and non-exclusive license to use, mention, commercially exploit, produce, reproduce, distribute, transmit, publish, publicly perform, publicly display, broadcast, exhibit, and create a derivative work from use. Any entry in whole or in part that entrant submits to this promotion and all content therein, in whole and in part, and the right to use their name, biographical information, likeness, image, voice, and statements, any of which may be in altered, combined, composite, or condensed format, in any and all media now known or hereinafter developed, including but not limited to the promotion entities and unrelated third parties' websites, digital and offline social media, marketing and advertising properties, in support of the marketing, business, commercial, and any other purposes of the sponsor without notice, review, or approval, and without additional compensation, except where prohibited by law. Assignment of ownership in and to survey responses. In consideration for the opportunity to participate in the promotion by submitting an entry, survey, at the time an entry is submitted and whether or not selected as a winner, entrants irrevocably transfer and assign in its entirety and perpetuity to sponsor all right, title, and interest, full transfer of ownership, in and to their entry and all content therein including, but not limited to, the right to secure the copyright and the registration, renewal, derivative, and moral rights relating thereto, and all income, royalties, and payments now or hereafter due or payable with respect thereto, and agree to execute all documents and perform all acts deemed necessary by sponsor to perfect and record the transfer and assignment throughout the world without any restriction or obligation as to use assignment. Entrants understand and agree by granting this assignment their entry may be modified, edited, distorted, used in whole or in part, alone or in combination with other works, used in illusory or composite form, or in any other manner, as solely determined by sponsor in any media and medium whatsoever now known or hereinafter developed, including without limitation print, broadcast, radio, internet, and posted throughout sponsors and unrelated third parties digital, online, and offline, social media, marketing and advertising properties, and or any other media/medium throughout the world, without further compensation or review. Privacy. Please refer to sponsor's privacy policy for information about how your information is collected, used, and disclosed by the sponsor. By entering this promotion, without limiting any other provision, each entrant expressly consents to the sponsor and its authorized representatives collecting, storing, sharing, and using the entry and all information contained or submitted with entry for the purpose of administering the promotion, prize award, and fulfillment, and in accordance with these official rules and the aforementioned privacy policy. General terms. If, for any reason, the promotion or any element thereof is not capable of running as planned, or by reason of causes which sponsor deems, in its sole opinion, could corrupt or affect the administration, security, fairness, integrity, or proper conduct of the promotion or any part thereof, sponsor reserves the right in its discretion to cancel, terminate, modify, or suspend the promotion, or any element thereof, and select the winners for the applicable prize from eligible entries received prior to the action, or as otherwise may be deemed fair in its absolute discretion. Persons suspected of tampering with or abusing any aspect of this promotion or any website, app, or platform, as solely determined by the sponsor, will be disqualified. Any attempt by any person to deliberately damage or undermine the legitimate operation of the promotion is in violation of criminal and civil laws, and should such an attempt be made, promotion entities reserve the right to seek remedies and damages from any such person to the fullest extent permitted by law, including criminal prosecution. Promotion entities are not responsible for injury or damage to entrants or to any other person's computer or mobile device related to or resulting from participating in the promotion or downloading materials from or use of any website, app, or platform. Force majeure. Promotion entities shall not be liable to any winners or any other person or entity for failure to execute the promotion or any part thereof, or supply a prize in whole or in part, by reason of any act of God, any actions, regulations, orders, or requests by any governmental or quasi-governmental entity, whether or not the actions, regulations, orders, or requests proves to be invalid. Equipment failure, terrorist acts, earthquake, war, fire, flood, explosion, unusually severe weather, embargo, labor dispute or strike, whether legal or illegal, labor or material shortage, transportation interruption of any kind, work slowdown, civil disturbance, insurrection, riot, cancellation or interruption of service, epidemic or pandemic, or any similar or dissimilar event beyond their reasonable control. Indemnification and release. To the maximum extent permitted by law, entrants and winners agree to waive, release, indemnify, defend, and hold harmless, release, sponsor, and all other promotion entities, their parents, affiliates, and subsidiaries, and their respective directors, officers, employees, and agents, and any applicable social media platform, released parties, from and against any and all threatened or actual actions, liabilities, claims, demands, losses, lawsuits, judgments, settlements, fines, damages, costs, and expenses, including reasonable attorney fees, whether or not litigation is commenced, disputes arising at any time from the promotion and any element thereof, the entry, in whole or in part, participation in any promotion and or prize-related activity, or inability to receive or participate in the promotion or any part thereof, the delivery, acceptance, use, misuse of a prize, or any element thereof, or any failure with respect thereto by any person or entity, personal injuries, including death or disability, damage to or destruction of property, violation of any rights of publicity or privacy, defamation or portrayal in a false light, whether intentional or unintentional, whether under a theory of contract, tort, including negligence, warranty, or other theory arising from or relating directly or indirectly to the promotion or a prize and any element thereof, any act, default, omission, noncompliance, and or a violation or breach of any law or agreement, representation, warranty, or covenant made herein, or any other agreements by or with entrant, the sponsor, and or any other promotion entity or release party, or any other third person or entity who may not be a party to these rules. To the maximum extent permitted by law, entrants and winners covenant not to sue any release party or cause them to be sued regarding any matter released above, and further covenant not to disaffirm, limit, or rescind this release. A waiver by one or more of the promotion entities of any term in these official rules does not constitute a waiver of any other provision. Any invalid, illegal, or unenforceable provision shall be deemed severed from these official rules only to the extent of its invalidity, illegality, or unenforceability, and these official rules shall be construed and enforced as if they did not contain the stricken provision. In no event will the promotion entities be responsible or liable for any damages or losses of any kind, including indirect, incidental, consequential, or punitive damages arising out of participation or inability to participate in the promotion or any promotion or prize-related activities or any element thereof. Disputes/arbitration. This promotion and all issues and questions concerning the construction, validity, interpretation, and enforceability of these official rules, or the rights and obligations of entrant or sponsor in connection with the promotion shall be governed by and construed in accordance with the laws of the United States and the state of California without respect to conflict of law doctrines. As a condition of participating in this promotion and or receiving a prize, to the fullest extent permitted by law, entrants and winners agree that any and all disputes that cannot be resolved between the parties and causes of action arising out of or connected with this promotion shall be resolved individually, without resort to any form of class action or a jury trial, exclusively before a neutral, binding one-person arbitration panel located in San Francisco, California, having jurisdiction. Under no circumstances will entrant be permitted to obtain awards for, and entrant hereby waives all rights to claim punitive, incidental, consequential, and any other damages, other than for actual out-of-pocket expenses, and any and all rights to have damages multiplied or otherwise increased. Winner list. The name of the prize winners will be provided on the website after winner verification until approximately 2 weeks following the end of the promotion. Sponsor: Philo Incorporated, 225 Green Street, San Francisco, California, 94111. This has been a reading of Philo's Get to Know You Survey Sweepstakes, last read on February 26, 2025. A link to the full text can be found in the video's description. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.